Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve this geometry problem. We have a square and it has been divided into three parts. The area of this yellow rectangle is 12 square units and the area of this blue rectangle is 8 square units, and we have to find the area of this green square. Consider the side length of this large square is A. So this length is A unit. And consider the length of this green square is B. That means this length is B. As this length is A because this is the side length of this large square and this length is B, so this is B, and this remaining length, this will be A minus B, because the total length is A and this is B, so this will be A minus B. Now the height of this yellow rectangle is A and the width is A minus B. So the area of this yellow rectangle is A times A minus B, and which is given as 12. So A times A minus B, this is 12 because this is the area of this yellow rectangle and this yellow rectangle is 12 square units. Again, this length is B, so this is B, and this total length is A and this is B, so this length is A minus B. That means the area of this blue rectangle is B times A minus B, and which is 8 square units. So B times A minus B, this is 8. Now consider this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Now divided equation 1 by equation 2, we will get A times A minus B, this from equation 1, divided by B times A minus B, this from equation 2, is equal to this 12 over this 8, or this A minus B and A minus B will cancel and it will remain A over B. This is now simplifying. Here 4 is common, so here it will remain 2 and here 3. So 3 over 2. Now multiplying both sides by B, we will get the value of A. So A is equal to this 3 over 2 times this B. Consider this as equation number 3. Now substituting this value of A in equation 2, we can write B times A, this is 3 over 2 times B, so substituting this here, 3 over 2 times B minus this B, this will be 8, or this B times here this 2 and this 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 3 times 1 is 3, so it will be 3 times B minus this 2 times B is twice B is equal to 8, or this B times 3b minus 2b, this will be b over 2 is equal to this 8. Now this b times b, this will be b square over this 2 is equal to 8. Or now multiplying both sides by 2, we'll get the value of b square is equal to 2 times 8, this is 16. Now the area of this green square consider as A, and this A, this will be the side length of square. The side length of this green square is B, so area will be B square. And we have found the value of B square is 16, so the area of this green square will be 16 square units. And this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.